If you have a mini fridge, often there's nothing in it. This is my mini fridge when it is empty. I'm here to show you how to fill one as a college student. We're going to be going to my favorite grocery store. I know where everything is.
Damn it!
For the course your child.
And we're here! Shop and save. The more you shop, the more you save. That's all you got, it's shop and save.
Where's the beef jerky?
Alright, we're gonna start shopping.
Oh. Everybody keeps walking by, they're staring at me. I sound like Shay Carl.
People are avoiding me.
The most typical item in a mini fridge is soda for a college student. So we'll go there now. Jones soda. There's about a flavor for everybody. They got cream, strawberry lime, blue bubblegum, and green apple. My personal favorite, every college student needs energy at some point. That's right. And now I'm on to Dr. Pepper. How much Dr. Pepper do you need? Typically, as I said, just one 12-pack is all you need. Anybody have frozen Pop-Tarts? Hot Fun Sundays are amazing. You stick them in the freezer, and they come out delicious. That's a great bag of grapes. Who doesn't love frosted cookies? Your breath stinks. Get Dinty Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Strawberry shortcake rolls. And, oh, yes, Marshmallow Supreme. The coup de grace of any fridge is circus animal cookies. Who doesn't love pudding? My personal favorite is Jell-O Oreo flavor. Yum. Let's put that in there. Monterey Jack, yeah. Can't find the beef jerky. My favorite thing to grab is the ice cream Snickers bars. Ooh. We will take drumsticks. Yum, yum, yum. Jack Link's beef jerky with A1 sauce. Ooh, that sounds good. I love me some A1. Let's take it. Premium makes amazing lunch meat. Smoked ham with water added. If you never had this, you should try it today. It's time to check out. Some people are jerks.
Someone right ahead or this couple behind me, they're like, hey, did you see that guy talking on the camera?
Voila! That is how you fill a mini fridge. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you see something you like. That's it for now. Take care.